This is a true story about a great invention.
It's 1772. Joseph Merlin is an inventor. He lives in a museum in London.
I like collecting inventions and I like inventing things. Look at these shoes with wheels. They are fantastic. I like making musical instruments too. Look at this violin. It's beautiful.
One day, Joseph receives an invitation.
Mr. and Mrs. Conley invite Joseph Merlin to a dance. Oh my God! I can play my violin at the dance, and I can wear my new shoes too.
At the dance.
Do you like dancing?
I love dancing.
Do you like my new mirror?
Yes, I do. It's absolutely fabulous.